This is a really big year for CSI. We've been on this campus for 10 years and we want to celebrate with the community. So April 22nd, on Earth Day, we're going to do a large open house. As part of this annual open house, we open up our doors to the community. We have the opportunity to really showcase all the work, all the research that we're doing. This is a great chance for our community, for students, for those that are interested in just the research that's being done on coastal systems around the world. Although we have an annual open house, this is our 10th year on this campus, and so we're really making this pretty special. We're a host to the Outer Banks Earth Fair. We've invited other educational entities to spend time on the campus during the open house. We're also going to have food trucks on campus. We've got a lot of family-friendly activities as well. We're really opening up our labs, our classrooms, so people really get an idea of the type of work, both education, outreach, and the research that we're doing around the world. They can get a feel for the impact that we're having in coastal communities. It's incredible the changes that have taken place at the Coastal Studies Institute over the last 10 years. When I got here in 2012, we were just moving into this campus. And since then, this building, this campus is filled with undergraduate students, with technicians and postdocs, new faculty and staff. Our research has also really increased. We do research on maritime history. We've really expanded our ocean energy program and the work that we're doing with the Department of Energy and the development of a new Atlantic Marine Energy Center. We have new faculty and staff that are working around the globe thinking about and studying coastal resilience. We have social scientists that have been focused on the fishers, both in our community and around the world. Our oceanographers are focused on the Gulf Stream and other ways of harnessing the energy from the ocean. We have fisheries ecologists that are studying aquaculture opportunities here in the state and understanding the impacts that aquaculture might have as we expand that opportunity moving forward. We have scientists focused on remote sensing and the use of drones to better understand spatial changes that are taking place across coastal systems around the world. We also have environmental engineers that are studying the resilience of coastlines, how we can develop better green infrastructure such that we're working with the environment and the changes that are taking place in the environment. We've expanded opportunities for K-12 and youth programs through summer camps and through science competitions on our campus. We've created semester-long programs for our undergraduates both at Chapel Hill and ECU, as well as other students throughout the UNC system. These are experiential opportunities for students to come out and engage with our faculty, engage with the community, and get a full semester's worth of courses here on our coastal campus. Beyond just the annual open house, we also offer other opportunities for the public to really engage with the Coastal Studies Institute through our Science on the Sound series, which welcomes the public every month to a presentation by one of our scientists about some of the ongoing research taking place within our groups. It's really important for us to engage with the public such that we are a good steward of the science that we're producing. We want to be there for the community as we work through some of the challenges and some of the changes that are taking place along our communities. Come celebrate with us at our annual open house on Earth Day, April 22nd.